Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to remove green screen in CapCut PC Easy CapCut tutorial for beginners. First, to be able to get started, we're going to go ahead and add in the video first that has a green screen onto your CapCut app. So as you can see, we're currently into the editing page already, and you could just simply click onto the import option in here to add in the video, or simply drag and drop the video in here. So this is the video that we're going to use. We're going to click onto this plus icon to add in the track onto our timeline. So for us to be able to go ahead and remove the green screen for this, we're going to go ahead and click the cutout option here onto the upper right corner of the screen. So we have Chroma Key in here. We're going to click onto the checkbox to turn on this one, and there is a color picker. We're going to click onto the color picker in here, and we're going to go ahead and point this one out onto the green screen. So we're going to click it just like that, and then we're gonna go ahead and just adjust the strength to go ahead and remove that. So as you can see, you could go ahead and adjust this as per your liking, and once you're already done, you could go ahead and try to choose here onto the library, onto the different backgrounds that you want to go ahead and replace. Drag and drop the video here onto the upper part so that it should be replaced, and it should look something like this. So it is very crucial to go ahead and adjust the strength for that, so that all of the details should be included onto the removal of the background. And that is just basically it onto how to remove green screen in CapCut PC. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.